Hello everybody, I will show you today the Nasan NA-CLM pressure machine. This machine is used to waterproof and dustproof the phone. At an EU adapter. It's also a quality certificate. A small 3mm silicone mat. One main 8mm soft mat with camera cutouts. One 5mm soft mat. Let's take this machine out and remove all the plastic. There is also plastic over the temperature control module. First impression is very good. It's a heavy machine. Quality seems nice. And yeah, you have rubber feet, so the machine stays in position, it doesn't slip. Operation seems very easy. Here's the machine with its accessories. The heating platform has a length of 150mm and 98mm wide. There is like a lock for the machine height, so first you need to unlock it and then you can adjust the height. The main mat has 4 camera cutouts. As you can see, it also works on all the phones. Here is an iPhone 13 Pro. The camera cutouts are very precise. Let's have a first try with this 13 Pro. You need to adjust the height, because as you can see here, the pressure is not enough. By rotating the handle, you can adjust the height, so I put it down so to make more pressure. Still not enough, a bit more. Okay, that seems about right. As you can see, the bolts are coming out. It's like 3mm, so the pressure is enough. The first real test I did it with the 14 Pro Max. As the 13 it fits perfectly, so here you can see the machine from the size, the phone fits perfectly. On the heating platform there is still room. Let's power on the machine. On the right side with the plus and minus buttons you can adjust the temperature. Max you can go to 99 and the minimum will be 1 Celsius. I use the machine at 70 degrees Celsius. The other button is the timer. Here you can set the timer and at what time the machine should shut off. Max is 59 minutes and minimum is 0, so I guess the machine will stay on and it will be a continuous heating. I prefer to first lower the heating mat over the phone so it can heat up the display and also sticker before applying pressure. Funny thing is, the temperature keeps rising even though the machine stopped heating. Seems like a heating lag. Temperature is accurate. After a few minutes, when the display is hot, I set the timer to 6 minutes. Then I apply the pressure and I leave the machine like this, it will shut down by itself. As you can see, the machine just powered off, and after this I still leave the phone for around 10 minutes so it cools down before I take it out, so I'm sure that the display stays well bonded to the frame. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. The display is perfectly even with the frame, and it's now dust and waterproof as it should. So that's it. The machine does a good job. I'm happy with the purchase. Thanks for watching. See you.